Hi, I'm Marcie from Marcie and Mommyland, and today we're doing our February Stitch Fix unboxing and try on video. I don't know about you, but January lasted forever. We had snow days, I had sick kids, I feel like I didn't get to leave the house at all, which was such a bummer, but I'm really excited to get my Stitch Fix box because that meant I didn't get to go out and go shopping. We've got some trips coming up later this month. I can't believe it, just in a couple of weeks, and I feel so unprepared. But I'm really glad to get my Stitch Fix box, and hopefully I have some cute items to wear on our trip. We're going to Disney World for a few days, and then we're going on our first Disney cruise, and I'm so excited about it. And I'm trying to remember, I'm pretty sure that I told my stylist that I'm looking for items to wear on our cruise and at Disney World, and then I'm heading to Disneyland later this month for a conference, and so I'm hoping I remember to ask for items for the trip. I know I had asked for last month as well, and I got some cool stuff, but we'll find out, won't we? If you have never done Stitch Fix before, you can use my link at the bottom of this video for $25 off of your first Stitch Fix box, which is a great deal. Okay, let's see what's inside. All right, ooh, okay. So I know I have seen this jacket. If you do the, there's like a style shuffle that you can do on their website, and you can do like a thumbs up or a thumbs down on items. And I remember seeing this kind of like this rose gold rain jacket. You can kind of see this. I remember seeing it on the style shuffle, and I remember giving it a thumbs up because I thought it was super cute. It is Marc New York, which I love this brand. I actually own a couple of jackets from Marc New York anyway. And this jacket looks awesome because you can adjust the waistband. I don't know about you, but I've got like I like to cinch things in. I don't like super boxy coats. So I like to be able to cinch it in a little bit because I think it looks a lot nicer. Especially if you're planning on taking pictures wearing a coat. And I live in Seattle, and I always have a coat on when I'm outside, even in the summer. It's so cold sometimes. So I like jackets that still look flattering in pictures. So I'm super excited to try this on. Isn't that cute? Okay, what else do we have? Okay, let's see. I don't know why this is so complicated. Okay, I think this is a skirt. Okay, cool. So this is a skirt. You can kind of see waistband down. It's just fine. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of just this black and white print. Maybe if they were like pineapples or something, but I'll zoom it in a little bit. It's fine. It's kind of boring. I think what I'm thinking about is that I wore a lot of these skirts when I was pregnant. You know, like the ones with the thick waistbands that kind of fit over a pregnancy belly. And they were super cute, and I like lived in them. But you know, like when you wear something while you're pregnant and you like never want to wear it again, that's kind of where I'm at. If maybe this has been in like a super fun color, or just was a different print or something, I don't know. I'm not wowed by it, but I'll try it on because I'm sure it's going to be flattering. It feels super soft, super nice. Like I know it's like a good quality. I'm just not wowed by it right now. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so here is a little, like a little sleeveless top, and it's got a little pocket on it. And it's kind of got it's not like really two-layered, but it kind of has that look that it is. And the fabric feels really soft. I actually own a shirt that is almost identical to this, with the same little pocket here, only there's, the sleeves have little polka dots on it. And I've probably owned it for maybe like 8 or 9 years now. And I still wear it because it's soft and it still looks good. It still holds up. This is kind of cute. I'll have to try it on to see about the length of it, and to see if it's too wide. Okay. Oh, okay. And then here is here's just like a regular sweater. It's a really pretty color. I'll kind of move it closer. It's kind of like a jewel tone color. and it's super thin. I'd have to try this one on too, to see if it looks wide right here, but it might not look wide when I put it on. But it's really soft, it's lightweight. It would be good for spring, and probably into summer a little bit here in the Pacific Northwest. And then last item is a pair of jeans. This is Just USA. I think I have tried this brand on before, but I'll double check. These are definitely lighter than the other jeans that I own right now, because I'm kind of feeling pretty good on jeans, but I don't have anything in this wash. But it has a little bit of distressing on it, like you can see a little bit on the knee and then a little bit on the booty. Cool. These look a little small. They're my size, but they look a little bit small, but I don't know if maybe if I try them on, they will fit correctly. So let's try some stuff on. Let's see. Okay, I am trying on the black top with the skirt right now. The skirt fits really well. It feels really nice. Again, I'm just not wowed by it. But I like the top. I think the top is really cute. I like that it's kind of like a little cap sleeve, so it's not 100% sleeveless, but it's not like a full sleeve. So I think that that's kind of flattering. I tucked it into the skirt here just because it kind of looked weird, I think, to have it out. But the length of it is really nice. I like that it comes to my hip bone. And it's just super soft, and it doesn't seem like very see-through. I've got some shirts kind of like this where you can see my bra through it, and I'm just not a fan of that. So this is really cute. I think it would be cute with like shorts even, jeans obviously. It seems like you could kind of dress it up, dress it down. So I'm really liking this right now. I have to think about it. Okay, let's try on some more stuff. All right, I am trying on the jewel tone sweater and the jeans right now. And so I like this sweater. I think it's a flattering color. I like the weight of it. I'm not sure that I need another sweater. I got some amazing sweaters with Stitch Fix in, I believe it was the December box. So I already have a lot of really nice sweaters. This one is thinner than I have, which is really nice. Like the weight of it is really nice. And I think that what do you call this? Like the scallop, the rounded edges, I think are super flattering, and I like that it comes up. The jeans, gosh, don't they look tight? I will admit that it is my time of the month, and it's probably not the best day to be trying on jeans. But these ones, they just fit a little bit snug. And you know how jeans shrink when you wash them, and I dry all my clothes because that's just what I do. And so I really like the look of them. I like the little like distressing on them. But these are just, I wouldn't wear them out because they're just too tight, I think. But the brand, like otherwise they fit, but they feel a little bit snug right now, and they look a little bit snug. So I'm not gonna do that. Okay, but let's try on the jacket. I'm super excited about the jacket. I think the color is fun. I'm just really excited about it. Okay, let's see. I think the color is cute. Let me try it all the way on. Let's see. Okay, and then I can kind of cinch it down a little bit too. I'm trying to see how they did this. They did this in a really cute way, and I don't know how they did it. I'm not talented like that. But this is the jacket. Let's see how it looks with the hood on. Oh, this is like a nice hood. It comes like all the way down. In case there's rain or wind or something like that. But I like how lightweight it is. I mean, the color is super cute. Once I figure out how to cinch it on this side too. See how it comes in? So I think that that's pretty flattering. I like that it comes down, that it covers up my booty, just for rain and for sitting down on like wet benches. I go to the park a lot with my kids, and I'm constantly sitting on wet benches. So I like that this kind of covers so that I won't feel wet as well, because that's just such a gross feeling. But I like this. I think this is super cute. I think I'm gonna keep it because the other rain jackets I have are really, really bright. I've got a bright yellow rain jacket, which I love for like Instagram photos or if I'm somewhere where I want to make sure my kids can definitely see me, I wear my yellow rain jacket. However, I like something that's like a little less, you know, like highlighter yellow. So this I think is really flattering. I think it works well with all the stuff I have. It's kind of like a neutral, kind of like rose color, which I like. Yeah. So that's my February Stitch Fix unboxing and try on video. It's really, I got some good stuff. I really like that black shirt. I really like this, this jacket, and I really like this sweater. And so I'm gonna have to think about it to see how much stuff that I actually need, or want, I guess. But yeah, so pretty good. I wasn't a big fan of the skirt, and the jeans I feel like are just a tiny bit too tight for me. They just seem a little too snug. Otherwise, I mean, I think this is a pretty good box. And I'm excited to see what I get next month in my March Stitch Fix box. So if you would like to get your first Stitch Fix box, use my code, use my little link at the bottom of this video, $25 off your first box. It's really fun to see what you'll get. If you're heading somewhere on spring break, get a box, get some new vacation clothes. If you know what, you can even get one now. Valentine's Day is coming up. Get a cute date night outfit sent to your house. You can request only getting dresses or only getting, you know, fancy tops or whatever. You can make it so that you're just getting the same item, and so you have 5 different choices. I like to mix it up and just see what they'll send me. But you can definitely do that if you're in the market for something specific. Or if you're looking for like the ultimate pair of jeans, you can just say jeans and they'll send you 5 pairs of jeans in your sizes, and hopefully you'll find like the brand that fits really well with you. I found a lot of really good jean brands. These ones will be good if they were just a tiny bit bigger. Otherwise the shape of it and everything fits perfectly. So they do know what they're doing, especially I think with jeans. But yeah, go give them a try and let me know what you think. All right, thanks so much. I'm Marcie, and if you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe.